What is an HMS Carabiner? If you have ever wondered about the gear that keeps climbers safe while they scale heights, you might be curious about the HMS Carabiner. This specific type of carabiner is designed with a unique pear shape that serves a special purpose. The term HMS comes from the German phrase Halbmastwurfsicherung, which translates to half-clove hitch belay. This name reflects its primary use in belaying techniques, particularly with the Munter hitch knot. The HMS Carabiner features a wide, rounded base and a narrower top. This design allows the rope to move smoothly and stay aligned during belaying. It is typically a locking carabiner, meaning it has a mechanism to secure the gate. This feature prevents accidental openings, enhancing safety while climbing or belaying. When using an HMS carabiner, it is particularly effective for attaching a belay device or using the Munter hitch knot. This knot is handy for controlling rope tension without needing extra equipment. It is especially useful in climbing and rescue situations, including emergencies where gear may be limited. In the context of parks and campgrounds, safety is a top priority. An HMS carabiner is an essential piece of gear for climbers, rescuers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It provides reliable equipment for securing ropes and managing safety during various activities. The strength of an HMS carabiner is impressive, as it is certified to withstand forces much greater than what is typically encountered in climbing falls. The design of the HMS carabiner also helps reduce rope wear and keeps the rope positioned correctly. This is vital for safety when belaying or setting up anchors. You can find HMS carabiners in various sizes and colors, making it easy to choose one that fits your needs and style. When selecting an HMS carabiner, look for one that meets safety standards and is made from durable materials. Prices can vary, but you can generally find a good quality HMS carabiner for around $10 to $30. Investing in reliable gear is essential for your safety and peace of mind while enjoying the great outdoors. In summary, an HMS carabiner is a pear-shaped, locking carabiner designed for belaying with a Munter hitch. It offers secure rope handling and essential safety features for climbing and outdoor activities in parks and campgrounds.